sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. Sweet on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, and your bitch do it all. No, nothing at all. No, nothing at all. Lately I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately I ain't got no time.
Before helping others. As we complete our final safety check, let us know if you have any questions. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and relaxing flight today. Before we take off, please be sure.
I really didn't want to go to get some wig cap from the beauty supply store. Why the fuck I got a pair of stockings on my head? I don't think I'm doing this right. I look dumb as hell. I just struggle to motherfucking put this shit on my head, y'all. And then the first time I cut the cap, the motherfucking cap was cut way too short. And this one barely motherfucking fit my head. But we finna get this motherfucking wig on my head. It's dyed so terrible. But I should have oiled my scalp before I did this, because I'm not planning on taking this. Oh, I should have showed y'all what my hair looked like before I put this cap on. I should have showed y'all what my hair looked like before I put this cap on. Cause baby, oh shit, damn. The blow dryer done blew out one of the candles. Happy birthday to you. Y'all, I should have recorded when I just struggled to put this damn wig cap on my head. It's not even a wig cap. Stocking cap. Stocking cap? Is that what it's called? A stocking cap? Hopefully. And that's why I be kind of happy that I got a big forehead, because instead of my wigs, I got so much more area space to work with. It's like, if I got a forehead that's like this big, my wig gonna be like right here. So there's some good things that come with having a big ass head. A big ass nugget on me. I hope this works. I think this is gonna be better than like using a regular wig cap though, because let me put a little bit extra right there, right there, right there, like that, like so. Is the camera quality clear? I just slurred the fuck out of my words, but oh well. I do not need to spray that much, but. I'm gonna do one more. Ooh, but that's turning it white. Something got in my eye. Oh my goodness. I need to play some music. I do not like doing this without some music playing. Without some music playing. Without some music playing. I just cannot be loud like that right now. It's early as fuck in the morning. What time is it? Oh, it's 12 o'clock. It's gonna be 1 o'clock whole time. It's gonna be 1 o'clock.
I could be paranoid. the observation before me. You had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, and your peers do it all. Speak for me when I don't go. I can break you off, and your peers do it all. Nothing, nothing at all. Nothing, nothing at all. I can break you off, and your peers.
I like bad bitches, 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 bad bitches. A100 thing, A100 thing, juicy we up. A100 thing, A100 thing, A100 thing, A100 thing, juicy we up. A100 thing, A100 thing. Everybody swear they know about us, but you only know what I told you. You only know what I showed you. Done lost too many soldiers. Put my hands up. We only get older. And only get older. You can't sit with us. I like bad bitches, bad riches, bad bitches, bad riches, bad bitches, bad riches, bad bitches, bad riches. I like bad bitches, 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 bad bitches. A100 thing, A100 thing, juicy we up. A100 thing, A100 thing, A100 thing, A100 thing, juicy we up. A100 thing, A100 thing. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight. I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my paper straight, girl. I know I've been away. Only heaven knows if you can truly win in the midst of a world that's going.
Blowing my up right now. Still down. Niggas dying every day. What can I say? They just want me to say. It's like everyone wants you to think how they think and do what they say. Get who I am. And how this goes. Did I forget who I am? And how this goes.
If you can truly win in the midst of a world that's going.
Blowing my up right now. Still down.
If you can truly win in the midst of a world that's going.
Blowing my up right now. Still down. Niggas dying every day. What can I say? They just want me to say. It's like everyone wants you to think how they think and do what they say. Still do it. And if you another gotta prove.
Break you off, then your bitch do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. Lately, I ain't got no time. You can't change my mind. What you need ain't what you like. I could be paranoid. The observation before me, you had all them boys. I'm just the one you've been stalking. I saw it soon as I walked in. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all. No, do nothing at all. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. Speak on me when I don't blow. I can break you off, then your bitch do it all. No, do nothing at all.
Rip me out the plastic, I been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit, they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gon' fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. Throw so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you bought. Gave the Bentley to ballet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a mess. Shit around my nigga, cost her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me preg. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you.
Yeah, give me love. Yeah, girl, I know you wanna. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can. Wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. But they too fly though, that's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement, then we can just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Ride the pipe like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my end zone. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I do change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I do change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna. Yeah. Just keep giving me look. Oh, just keep giving me look. Oh, just keep giving me look. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike. They say time here.
This fool Anthony right here, he said, listen.
I'm from the bricks, we got a whole lot of bricks, you got a whole lot of tricks, and I wanna see what you do. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. If I ever made you angry, girl, just know that it get better with time.
Best kept secret.
They say time is. She can't see her life without me, she's so plastic. Fuck that nigga, you can tell him that you must be. And she don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. Lately she been noticing he ain't me. I wish that we can change fantasy. Don't want no boo-boo fantasy. She got my heartbeat racing. They say time is. Don't go live no life with.
I'm back in my bag. My eyes bloodshot, but my jet don't lag. I'm here.
On this flexin' nigga, he from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me where he be, I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, Vaughn, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like, cool, I can do that, boo. What you want, some shoes? Jimmy Choo, with a handbag too. Red up, baby, but she get the smile. She ain't used to this, she ain't used to shit. I'm just laughing, could've been the way I move my lips. I be speeding, could've been the driver, the way I push the whip. You a hoe, could've been a bitch, the way you throw a bitch. But fuck that, right back to the script, cause this a major league. He got bricks, plus his neck and icy, and it matches wrist. Now it's like 6. Told her hit his phone, meet her in the whip, but he ain't go. But he ain't that slow, say meet him at the stove. I'm like, cool, let him run his move. Do what he gon' do, cause this the plot. Put him in a pot, let it cook like stew. I grab my Glock, if it do a lot. But it's this you like, no, we at the top. Yeah, we lost a lot, but that's just how it go. But check the scope, if y'all lose one more, that's 6 to 24. Let me focus, can't be zoning out.
And I'm gaslighting, make up your mind.
Do you ever think about me? Really, if you're honest with me, I'd like to say this to you.
Good on the makeup, do it, does it give, what does it give? My eyelashes coming off on one of these, and I doubled the lashes as y'all can see. I'm taking them very fast. Hopefully y'all can hear me over that movie that's playing in the back. Did I do my 1, 2? Did I do my big one? Let me Wait, don't talk about my hair if it look like a helmet. Don't. If it look like a helmet, just let it look like a helmet and protect my little head. Okay? I try my best with my little drugstore makeup. Maybe it's Maybelline. Yeah. It doesn't look that bad, y'all. Like, in like person on the mirror and stuff, I look like a bad bitch. It's giving definitely, scorecard is giving 10. But when I like try to go on my phone and take a picture, or like even right now, it's decent. When I go on my phone and try to take a picture, scorecard giving 0. 0 out of 10, do not recommend. So I don't know. I'm still learning though. I ain't no professional at this shit. I just woke up one day and started doing makeup. So it's not that bad though. I'm getting better at blending. As y'all can see, that chicken sandwich video, terrible. Who told me to walk out the house like that? Y'all wrong for letting me walk out the house like that. But anyways, yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell so you won't miss when I post. And I think that's it for this video.
On this flexin' nigga, he from Tennessee, I had a thought. She be with this shit, she told me 𝚑𝚑𝚑𝚑, I say for sure. Baby, let me know if you wanna eat. She like, you already know, just put your girl on fleek. I'm like,